all seriousness, guys, I do need to talk to you about an important issue that a lot of motorcycle riders are struggling with now. That issue is not having fog lights on their motorcycle. Right now out there's tens of thousands of Rays and Yannis. They're riding around without fog lights, not being able to see as well as they should be able to. And for just 99 cents a day, you can help get some of these fog lights to caring homes and on motorcycles where they'll light up the road better than stock headlights. If you have any extra money, would you please consider donating? Please, let's get these fog lights home.